Building an online course used to require a degree in software engineering. It used to take 3 different subscriptions and a prayer that your integrations didn't break. But it is 2026 and the duct tape method of business is officially dead. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to move from a blank screen to a professional, automated course. We will use the new Kajabi Builder 2.0 to handle your hosting, your marketing, and your payments in one single dashboard. I'm skipping the fluff and the complicated tech speak. This is a click-by-click guide to getting your expertise live. Stick around until the end of this video. I will show you an AI feature that translates your entire course into 100 languages with one single click. Your global business starts right now. First, we need to get your account live. Go to the Kajabi website and enter your email address to get started. I have placed a special link in the description for you. Standard signups usually only get a 14-day trial. My link extends that trial to a full 30 days. You will need those extra 2 weeks to build and launch your first module. Once you are inside the dashboard, we have to talk about the 2026 pricing trap. Kajabi overhauled their pricing in January 2026. The basic plan is now $143 per month when you pay for the year. This tier gives you 5 products and 2,500 contacts. But there is a specific mechanism that could cost you thousands in lost revenue. Kajabi now adds a 2% platform surcharge on every single sale. This fee only applies if you use an external Stripe account for payments. It is a silent tax on your growth. To avoid this, you must enable native Kajabi Payments during your initial setup. This keeps your transaction fees at the industry standard of 2.9%. It prevents the platform from taking an extra slice of your hard-earned sales. While you set this up, Kajabi will ask you about your current revenue. Do not let these questions slow you down. These answers simply help the AI customize your new dashboard. Select online courses as your primary goal to unlock the Builder 2.0 tools. Your foundation is now set and your profit is protected. Next, we move to the logic of the vault and the key. Most beginners get stuck right here. They think the course and the price are the same thing. Your product is the vault. It is the digital container for your videos and PDFs. Your offer is the key. It controls the price and how long a student has access. This is the technical mechanism that gives you total freedom. You can have one course vault with 3 different keys. Key 1 is a full payment of $500. Key 2 is a monthly subscription. Key 3 is a 7-day free trial. The content in your vault never changes. Only the way you sell it changes. This architecture prevents you from having to duplicate your work. To build your vault, click Products on the left menu. Choose the course blueprint. This uses a 2026 logic engine to outline your modules for you. Once your vault is ready, go to the Sales tab. This is where you forge your first offer key. You simply tell the offer which product it should unlock. Now you can change your price or run a sale in seconds. You never have to touch your actual course content to do it. It is clean. It is organized. It puts you in total control of your profit margins. Now that the vault is built, we need to fill it with your content. We will use the 2026 AI tools to do the heavy lifting for us. Now we enter the Builder 2.0 interface. This is the fastest course editor in the industry in 2026. It uses a feature called Global Styles. You change one font or color in your settings. It instantly updates every single lesson in your course. You no longer have to click every page to fix a small mistake. It also introduces reusable sections. If you build a perfect About the Instructor block, you can save it. Then you can drop it into any other module with one click. To start your curriculum, use the AI Course Outline Generator. Just type in your specific niche or topic. It creates a full 10-module structure in under 30 seconds. This is not just random filler text. It builds a logical path for your students to follow. Now, let's look at the actual video engine. Kajabi has a native partnership with Wistia. When you upload a video, a complex mechanism starts in the background. The system creates 5 different versions of your file. This is called adaptive bitrate streaming. If your student has 5G, they see crisp 4K. If they are on slow hotel Wi-Fi, the system switches to a lower quality. This prevents the video from ever stopping to buffer. In 2026, Kajabi added the Internal Paywall. This is a massive moment for your marketing. You no longer need a separate free product to give a preview. You just drag the paywall line in your outline. Everything above the line is free for the public. Everything below the line is locked until they pay. This turns your actual course into its own lead magnet. It captures the email of every student who wants a free sample. Your students can watch this all on the native Kajabi app. This gives them push notifications every time you drop a new lesson. It keeps them engaged and reduces your refund rates significantly. But great content means nothing if no one can buy it. Next, we build the checkout page that actually collects the cash. Now that your vault is full, we need to design the page where you actually get paid. In early 2026, Kajabi released their optimized checkout architecture. Data shows these new templates increase conversion rates by up to 68%. This happens because the system now focuses on reducing buyer friction. You can now allow customers to skip the account creation page after they buy. They go straight from entering their credit card to watching your first lesson. This one small change stops customers from getting stuck in their email inbox. You can also enable Google Sign-In to make the login process instant. But the most powerful tool for your profit is the order bump. Think of this like the candy bar at a grocery store checkout. It is a small checkbox on your payment page that offers a secondary product. This could be a $27 workbook or a $47 checklist. Adding a single order bump can increase your average order value by up to 40%. This is essentially free money that most beginners leave on the table. To set this up, go to your offer settings and click cross-selling. Toggle the order bump switch to on and select your mini product. If you want to go further, you can add a post-purchase upsell. This is a one-time offer that appears after the initial sale is complete. Since they already trusted you with their card, the conversion rate is much higher. You also have total control over the branded checkout design. You can add testimonials right next to the credit card field. You can include a 100% money-back guarantee badge to build instant trust. These small visual cues are what separate a professional from an amateur. In 2026, students expect a checkout experience that looks like a high-end store. Kajabi gives you that look without needing a single line of code. Your checkout is now a high-performance sales machine. It does not just collect money. It maximizes every single transaction automatically. But there is one final feature that will truly set your business apart on a global scale. This is the secret to scaling your expertise without doing more work. You have now built a professional course in record time. But there is one final tool that changes the math of your business. We talked about the AI dubbing feature in the beginning. This is powered by a mechanism called neural voice cloning. You simply select a video in your new unified media library. With 3 clicks, Kajabi analyzes your original vocal tone. It then generates a new audio track in over 100 different languages. This is not a robotic translation. The AI matches your specific pitch and your emotional energy. It even uses lip sync technology to adjust your mouth movements. This allows you to sell to the Spanish or French markets instantly. You do not need to hire a translator or a voice actor. Note that this feature requires the Growth or Pro plan in 2026. One creator recently used this to translate their fitness course. They doubled their monthly revenue in 6 weeks. They did this by simply turning on the European market. You are no longer limited by the language you speak. Your expertise is now a global asset that works while you sleep. In just minutes, we have moved from a blank screen to a business. You have a secure vault for your content. You have a high-converting checkout page to collect your profit. And you have the tools to scale your brand across the globe. The duct tape method of building is officially behind you. If you are ready to get started, use the link in the description. It gets you that 30-day extended trial to build your first module. It also helps support this channel so I can keep these guides free. Your expertise is valuable. It is time to start getting paid for it. In the next video, I will show you how to find your first 100 students. We will use Kajabi's new email automation tools to do it. I will see you there.